A significant number of private schools have yet to reopen for physical classes, not so much for safety reasons, but because of the economic constraints from the COVID-19 pandemic. There are fears that this may lead to the closure of a number of such institutions, which are now asking for the government support. Leila Mohammed has more.
For most private schools, safety remains a major concern as learners resume physical classes. At Eldo Baraka Academy in Eldoret, the administration has set up 2 isolation centers in the case of an emergency. But there are CBC lessons which require some level of contact, the administration now says.
We have some health personnel who have been assigned to the school. We are in contact with them.
Miles away at Tender Care School in Nairobi's Eastlands area, not much is happening, but beyond the quiet aisles, the administration is getting ready to receive learners from Tuesday. Social distancing is a priority here.
In the normal learning times, our classes have a capacity of 35 learners, a carrying capacity of 35 learners. But in the new normal, we want to achieve 20 learners per class.
In Busia County, all was quiet at the St. James ACK Academy in Malaba. But as they prepare to receive learners from Tuesday, they are not yet at ease, and it's all about the money.
Corona ilipoingia tulianza kulipa walimu wetu miezi miwili tu. Changamoto kubwa sana kuna maneno ya fedha, kulipa mishahara yao. Tena kuna mambo ya barakoa. Wizara ilikuwa inatuuliza kwamba tununue barakoa na hatuwezi kununua barakoa maana hatuna pesa hivi sasa.
About 200 private institutions have reportedly indicated that they would not open for resumption of learning due to financial constraints, whereas some private schools are asking parents to cough up more money. The Kenya Private Schools Association says the gravity of the situation won't be clear until Friday.
A lot of them did quite a good number of innovative solutions to stay afloat, to keep their teachers having some small amount of income, and we commend them for thinking outside the box. But as students come back, we have to remember that there are health and safety measures that have to be adhered to. We have been asking for a bailout fund, a COVID intervention, to help schools get back onto their feet, and we are still waiting for this intervention. We have seen the government put in similar interventions for the tourism industry. We have seen them do it for the SMEs.
Then there is the question of syllabus coverage and how to address the inequalities that were exacerbated by the online mode of learning introduced during the break.
For the private schools, where some people have tried to equate reopening with those who had online classes, we want to make it very clear that all children will start from where they left. So even if you make so much noise, if you send a child home because the child did not engage in online classes, that is criminal, and we shall come for you. The fact that it's a private school does not protect you.
The fate of the KCPE and KCSE candidates in private schools that may have to shut down completely remains in limbo. Leila Mohammed, NTV.